Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can find and also use the trending Wes Anderson template in CapCut. So if you are also using TikTok, you'll probably notice that these days the Wes Anderson template is now trending on TikTok, and you can easily find it on CapCut. So first, just opening up your CapCut and go to template tab, and then just click on the search column at the top. Click on that and type in the Wes Anderson keyword, and it will be show up like this. You can just choose which one. Just click on the Wes Anderson template, and in here there will be lots of template based on the keyword Wes Anderson, and you can just choose which one that you want to use. There is a Wes Anderson preset, coloring, Wes Anderson style, and you can just choose which one that you want to use. And then after that, just click on the use template and select your video or photos, and after that just click on preview to see the result. And after that, your Wes Anderson video will be created just like this. And if you like with the result, you can just click on export, and then after that you can upload your Wes Anderson video like this from CapCut, from the template CapCut template to your social media. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, thanks, comment if you have any question, and also subscribe. Bye bye.